Are you struggling with noisy footage in Davinci Resolve? I'm going to show you how to fix it using Neat Video in just a minute and a half. First, import your noisy clip into Davinci Resolve's media pool. Then, drag and drop your clip onto the timeline. Now, navigate to the Color tab. This is where the magic happens. Go to the OpenFX panel. If you can't see it, click the OpenFX icon. Find Neat Video in the list and drag it onto your node. If you don't see it, make sure you have it installed correctly. Click on the Neat Video plugin icon to open its interface. The first thing you need to do is build a noise profile. Click on the Build Profile button. Select a relatively flat, featureless area of your footage that represents the noise well. Avoid areas with fine details. Neat Video automatically analyzes the noise in the selected area. Let Neat Video do its thing. It's analyzing the noise to create a profile. Now that the noise profile is built, you can adjust the noise filter settings to fine-tune the result. Experiment with the noise reduction and sharpening parameters to achieve the best balance for your footage. Preview the effect by clicking the Apply button. You should now have significantly cleaner footage, free from distracting noise. And there you have it. Using Neat Video in Davinci Resolve is a quick and effective way to clean up your noisy footage and improve the overall quality of your videos. Don't forget to render the result.